Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best double-din car stereo on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the PLZ MP902W double-din car stereo, highlighting its features, performance, and why it stands out. Let's get started.
Product features:
Wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Automatically connects your phone when you start the car. Access GPS apps like Google Maps or Waze. Stream Spotify playlists and use Siri or Google Assistant hands-free. AI-driven voice control. Reduces driving stress and improves safety. Voice commands let you make calls, change music, or get directions without taking your hands off the wheel. Powerful sound system, built-in digital signal processor and 4.2-channel preamp deliver up to 240 watts. 2 subwoofer outputs provide deep bass, while a 10-band equalizer allows precise tuning for your personal audio preferences. Heat management. Large heat sink and enhanced ventilation prevent overheating, maintaining sound fidelity and ensuring long-term reliability during extended use. Stable Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. Independent module with an extra antenna reduces static and lowers signal delay. Stream music or make calls with clear, stable audio. Built-in and external microphone support. Ensures hands-free calls are clear. Ideal for both in-car communication and voice assistant commands. Vibrant 7-inch IPS touchscreen. High-definition 1024 by 600 resolution delivers crisp visuals and vivid colors for videos, apps, and navigation. Supports wired mirror link for compatible devices. Steering wheel control integration. Easily adjust volume, switch tracks, or use voice commands from your steering wheel for safe and intuitive operation while driving. Sleek and modern design. Fits perfectly in most double-din dash slots. Elegant design complements any car interior while providing advanced in-car technology. Pros: automatic Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connection. AI-driven voice control for safer driving. 240-watt audio with subwoofer outputs and 10-band EQ. Vibrant 7-inch HD IPS touchscreen. Bluetooth 5.3 with extra antenna for stable connection. Steering wheel control integration. Heat sink and ventilation for reliable performance. Supports wired mirror link for compatible devices. Cons: no Wi-Fi hotspot functionality. Wired mirror link required for some features. May require professional installation for certain vehicles. Final thoughts: the PLZ MP902W double-din car stereo delivers cutting-edge technology, powerful sound, and user-friendly operation. From seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity to AI voice control, rich audio with subwoofer support, and a vibrant 7-inch HD display, it transforms your driving experience. Enjoy music, navigation, and hands-free communication with style and precision, all while keeping your focus on the road. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video.